This is our 1981 Leblond sliding gap bed lathe. It has inch metric threading, 5-inch spindle bore. With the bed closed, it swings 24 inches over the ways. With the bed open, it swings 52. The bed is 96 inches between centers when it's closed and 132 open. Give you a quick view of the machine. In really beautiful condition. Ways are really nice. 5-inch hole with a rear mount. Now we're going to show some of the functions. Don't like to run it there too long. RPM. 126.